Welcome! In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch and I'm gonna show you how to enter the FastBoot mode on this watch. First we need to turn off our watch. You can do it by pressing and holding the crown button. Keep holding it until you see the power menu on the screen, and once you see the power menu on the screen, tap on the power off option to turn off the watch. After the watch turns off, wait for about 30 seconds and then the tricky part comes in, because what we need to do is to turn on the watch by pressing and holding the crown button, and once you see the white Google logo on the screen, you need to tap on the bottom right and top left corners of this touch screen at the same time to enter the FastBoot mode. It's quite tricky, it might take a couple of tries, but it's doable, so just keep trying. Okay, let's press and hold the crown button to turn on the watch. Once you see the logo, tap on the corners of the screen, and here we have the FastBoot message, and also you will have this info on how to navigate the menu. Now let's press the side button, and as you can see, we are in the FastBoot menu. To scroll through the menu, press the side button. You can scroll down through it, like that. And to confirm the selections, you can press the crown button. In this menu, we have options like device info, start, recovery mode, reboot bootloader, power off, and barcode. To exit this menu, you can select either start option or power off, depending on what you want to do with your watch. If you want to turn it off, select the power off option, and if you want to boot it into system, select the start option. And once you select one of the options, you can press the crown button to confirm. And as you can see, we are back in the system. Okay, and that's how you enter the FastBoot mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.